This is so boring. Time to have some fun! Wait! Who's that? What's happening? Huh? I can't see anything! Haha! Check me out! I'm a blind nerd! What? Who said that? What are you doing? What happened? My backpack is ripped! Wait, don't cry. Here, have a treat. Don't want it. Stickers? No. Look at this cutie. Whoa, that's exactly what I needed. Let's do a little backpack surgery. Pulling out the stuffing. Let's use this space way better. Add some glue. Stick on the zipper, like this. Done! It can hold school stuff now. Cute and handy. Score! Like my new backpack? That's awesome! Nice job! Let's go? Hi, class! Today we're coloring butterflies. I love a tidy desk. There. Much better. Okay, now I'm all set. You can start now. Here you go. Aw, so cute. Oops, that was a total mess. Huh? What a slob. Can I have another? Thanks. Hold up! Give me that. Let's outline the pic with a glue gun. It'll make those edges pop, like this. Now try it out. Nice! Let's test it. Whoa! That really helps! Switch in colors. These outlines are awesome! Done! Look how neat it is! I'm done too! Looks great! Great work! You both get top marks! Teacher? Guess I'll just draw for now. Gonna sketch a cute bear. Sweet!
Hey! Give me that marker, now! The rest, too! And I'll take that!
Oh, no, don't cry. Hang on. Here. No thanks. How about this? Meh. Wait. I've got an idea. First, draw this funky shape. Looks like a giant test tube. Add a line here and a little heart. Color the top first. Now the bottom. Nice! Cut out all the extra. Then flip it. Add this strip along the edge. Now it's 3D. Nice! Grab these little tubes. Stick a cotton swab in each one, like this. Dip each in its matching color. Pop the tubes right here. Secure them down and slap on the lid. Perfect! Flip it again and stick a matching bead on each section. Like that! Add this Hello Kitty and done! Ta-da! I made you a mega marker! So cool! Let's test it out! Whoa! It works! Look at this heart! I love it! Amazing! It's for you. Thanks! Jot these notes down so you don't forget. Done! Got it all. I'll tuck them in my notebook, just in case. Huh? What the heck? Nope, that ain't it. Oh, look! Whoa! That's just what I need! Awesome! Let's go! Grab a clip and put it here. Add one more lower down. Now clip in the paper. There! Now I can shut the notebook and nothing falls out. Wow, that's genius! I'm grabbing one too, just in case. Alright, ready to go? And then I told him… Alright everyone, hope you're ready. Math test time! What? Oh no! He'll be fine. Here you go. Oh, I'm so not ready. Same here. But wait, I've got a plan. Look, I made a cheat sheet. No way! Quiet, class! Gotta cheat without getting caught. Oh, I know what to do. Watch. Grab a Ziploc bag and draw a little ghost. So cute, right? Now write the answers on the back. Done! Time to add some slime. Stuff it in the bag, like this. Spread it around a bit. Boom! All set! Ghost in the front, answers in the back. Shh! Test time! Just press the slime and the answer pops up. Easy! Awesome! We've totally got this. Let me use it too. Okay, just like this. Got it! And… time's up! Huh? No biggie. We're done! Let's check the results. Guess I'm a great teacher. Awesome job, girls. Here you go. Yay! So cool! Nice! High five! Oh, your next task. Draw a rainbow. Yes! I've got everything I need. Let's begin. Starting with red. Oh yeah! Just like that! Whoa. All I've got is this. Wait, let's check my bag. What do we have in here? Seriously? What's this? Maybe I can borrow hers. Nope! Mine! Oh, hey! What's that? That roller thing looks kinda handy. I think I've got an idea. Let's unbend this clip. Shape it into a handle. And bend it here, too. Nice. Snip off the extra part, just like that. Stick on some double-sided tape. Roll it up and boom! Got a handle. Now stick on a marshmallow like this. Add a sticker, and the roller's ready. Hey, look what I made! Now I can paint my rainbow. Swipe on the colors like this. And done! Easy peasy! Whoa! I finished too! Nice! Awesome work, both of you!